Hello friends, you are watching the English news platform of Fan Bharat Media Network and I am Nakul Chaturvedi with you. We will talk about all the big news of the country, but before that, let us take a look at the headline. Operation Kalnemi, action taken against more than 300 fake babas in Kumaon division. IG Kumaon interact with media. All schools and colleges will be closed in Meerut from July 16 to 23 on the occasion of Kamar Yatra, an official order issued by the district magistrate. Supreme Court declines to lift stay on Udaipur Files movie, asks central government panel to expedite decision. The High Court took cognizance of the case of including breaking of shops and assault on the woman during Kamar Yatra in Haridwar.
वो कांवड़ से संबंधित माननीय न्यायालय की कुछ परीक्षा
And Biju Janata Dal protested strongly against the suicide of a student in Odisha. Slogans were raised against the government. Police fired tear gas shells. Now the news in detail. All schools and colleges will be closed in Meerut from July 16 to 23 on the occasion of Kamar Yatra. An official order issued by the district magistrate stated, on the holidays of educational institution in Meerut district, VK Singh said during the Kamar Yatra in Meerut district, the route has to be blocked. The safety of children and their parents is also a responsibility. Like previous years, this time also all the schools and educational institutions will remain closed from 16 to 23 July. The top district official further stated that there is a provision for temporary lights on all the routes. The Kamar Yatra began on July 10. During the annual pilgrimage, Kamariyas collect holy water from rivers and carry it over hundreds of kilometers to offer it at Lord Shiva temples. Devotees across the country observe fasts, perform rituals and undertake the yatra as a mark of devotion. Workers of opposition Biju Janata Dal in Odisha clashed with the police on Wednesday as they tried to ghero the Lok Seva Bhavan in seeking justice for a Balasore college student who succumbed to injuries after setting herself on the fire. The girl had taken the extreme step after the complaint alleging harassment by a professor was ignored. Tension escalated when the police blocked BJPD workers who were marching towards the Lok Sabha Bhavan, the highest seat of power in the state. After breaching security barricades, several senior BJD leaders, including former ministers Pranab Prakash Das, Preeti Ranjan Gharei, and Rajya Sabha member Sulata Dev, sustained injuries as police fired tear gas shells and used water cannon to disperse the protesters. The Supreme Court on Wednesday declined to immediately lift the Delhi High Court order stay on Udaipur Files, the movie based on Taylor Kanhaiyalal Teli's murder in Udaipur. The bench of Justice Suryakant and Justice Joymala Bagchi said the central government can go ahead with examining the movie as directed by the High Court. We will keep the matter pending. We can have benefit of view of Union of India before the High Court. Suppose Union says nothing wrong, then we will see that. If they make some cuts, then also we can pursue the same. If Centre was not taking up the matter, the different, we are told committee has been formed and Union is looking into it. We can wait for a day or two, the court said. As soon as the Kamar Yatra fair started in the holy city of Haridwar, cases of disturbance by the Kamariyas, be it the administration or the traders, are coming to the fore. Not only this, the traders allege that the Kamariya are constantly misbehaving with the traders. Despite this, we are all following principles of Atithi Devo Bhava and tolerating their actions. But now the water has gone above the head. The Kamariyas have started fighting with the traders in such a situation. Should the traders do business or save their lives? Now I want to ask a question to the traders that why do they not show any inertia when the general public is the victim of their arbitrariness in the restaurants and dhabas? Today, when a crowd is giving a befitting reply to their arbitrariness, they are definitely feeling pain and our sympathy is completely with the traders. But the traders should also understand that apart from the Kamar Yatra, on other days, they will neither extort huge amounts from tourists devotees and guests, nor serve them wrong, smelly and dirty food, because a clap can never be made with one hand. And I think the administration should also take strict action in this matter. The High Court has taken cognizance of the case, including breaking of shops and assault on women during Kanwad Yatra in Haridwar. During the hearing of a petition, the Court of Chief Justice Narendra G. Guha Nathan and Justice Alok Mehra asked the DGP who appeared in the High Court what action has the police taken on the videos and news that are coming during this. The state DGP told the arrests have been made in the case of vandalism in the shop and others have also been arrested. While the DJ has been vandalized, the DGP told the court that the police is continuously maintaining law and order. The court said to took into this seriously. Actually, in the High Court, the court had called the DGP and the Secretary Panchayati Raj in the court in the election case during monsoon and Kanwad Yatra, but the court sought information about the assault and action taken during the Kanwad Yatra.
और कांवड़ से संबंधित माननीय न्यायालय की कुछ परीक्षाएं थी पुलिस प्रशासन से कि कांवड़ के दौरान बड़ी बड़ी आवाज़ में डीजे हो रहे हैं, महिलाओं पे ये आक्रमण हुए हैं, कहीं पर दुकानदारों को मारा गया है, तो इस पे क्या कर रहे हैं। तो डीजीपी साहब ने बताया कि हमने इस पर तत्काल प्रभाव से कार्रवाई कर दी है, एफआईआर हमने दर्ज कर दी है और सुनिश्चित कर रहे हैं कि किसी भी तरह की अराजकता ना हो।
Haldwani, on the instruction of Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, Operation Kalnimi is being run by the police across the state, under which the police has started tightening the noose on fake babas. Operation Kalnimi is taking action to arrest fake babas and peer fakirs. IG Kumaon Riddhima Agarwal said that in the campaign conducted in Sikh district of Kumaon division, more than 300 fake babas have been identified by the police and action has been taken against them by filing cases and challans. IG Kumaon said that during this time, fake babas who cheated in the name of hypocrisy, superstition and religious faith were identified. More than 300 suspects were taken into custody and brought to the police station. The verification process and documents of the suspects were thoroughly investigated. They have not shown any identity card or any valid document. The campaign against fake babas will continue in future as well. All the police stations and police posts have been instructed to identify the fake babas and take strict action against them if they appear suspicious.
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के निर्देश पर ऑपरेशन कालनेमी जो है वो चलाया जा रहा है पूरे प्रदेश में। कुमाऊं रेंज में भी ऐसे तथाकथित जितने हमारे फकीर बाबा हैं जो धर्म और आस्था के नाम पर लोगों का शोषण कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो मानसिक हो, चाहे आर्थिक या इवन शारीरिक शोषण, तो ऐसों को आइडेंटिफाई करके उनके विरुद्ध कार्रवाई की जा रही है। जब से ये ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है, कुमाऊं परिक्षेत्र में लगभग 300 लोगों के विरुद्ध हमने उचित विधिक कार्रवाई की है। और साथ ही साथ मैं जनता से भी यही अपील करूंगी कि यदि आपको ऐसी कोई सूचना है या कोई झूठा चमत्कार के नाम पर आपसे ठगी करता है या धर्म और आस्था के नाम पर अंधविश्वास में आकर आपसे ठगी करता है, तो आप इसकी सूचना पुलिस को दें। पुलिस आपकी सूचना गोपनीय रखेगी और उस पर जो भी उचित कार्रवाई होगी वो यथाशीघ्र की जाएगी।
Keep watching and Bharat Media Network.